I know this motherfucker was a drug. I know it as soon as he...
Look, I think you have a waste of judgment. Check that out there. You got him.
No, because he's not getting rid of it.
Somebody's got my ladder.
I don't have your ladder.
Come on, guys.
Look, man. Look around with it.
Well, you said
He's going at it again.
Hey, that's a guilt. Are you watching it?
Yeah. He's going at it again.
Josh, you're not on it.
Yes, I am, dude.
Look, Josh is scared to put it on him.
Oh, shit, here he comes.